Well, it's another day of fishing. Let's go see what we can catch.
Here we go now.
Well, to my new spot, to this next spot, I guess. Not even next, it's the first spot of the morning. I'm gonna toss out a rooster tail and see if we can't catch something. Ooh. There's a lot of moss out here. I think I'm going to float some minnows. Ah, missed one. I think I gotta call it quits for a little bit. It's raining, my camera is not waterproof, so this is break time. Well, to the next spot. The rain finally quit. See if we can't catch fish. People always ask why I wear jeans when I go fishing. Well, this is why. So I think I'm going to throw some nightcrawler out on bottom, see what happens. And then I'm gonna throw a jig around for a little bit. I'm actually gonna tie a leader on this with a swivel. Maybe give it a little bit of action in this very, very calm water. So we'll see what happens. I think that'll do. A little while back I was in Gulf Shores Alabama. I picked up some of these sand flea fish bites. Yeah, I know there's no sand fleas up here in Indiana. But I'm gonna try it as an extra scent. I'm thinking that area looks pretty good. Huh? Something's playing. Must have been a small one. Did y'all see that? That little turd came up and hit that right there. Woohoo. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Good old redbreast. Cool. I wonder if I should put that on for bait. Yeah, we're gonna use him for bait. All right, let's see if bluegill head will do us any luck. All right. What we got? Ow! Ah, Gar bit that and spit it out. Ow. That got me right in the elbow. So I just put all my stuff in the truck. My cameras, drones, all my other fishing poles. I decided I'm gonna walk down the creek just a little bit. I try to stay dry a little bit. I got my work boots on. But we'll see. See if we can't actually catch some fish. Oh. Look, there's a snake. Broke it off. Of course I did. Well, finally got my new bait tied on. Let's see how this does. had a little bite. Probably not big enough to even get this bait in its mouth. Come up here. See if I can't get around this without having to get wet. Hey, a path. Cool. All right. Got one. Little guy. Wow. Ew. All right. Look at the colors on this thing. This is black. Like, what is that? Anybody knows what this black marking might be? Feel free to share it in the comments. Well, I came, I saw, I caught 2 fish. Yeah, that spot is no good. I'm just gonna have to cross that off the list and try again another day, I guess. Until next time. Ow.